Alright, let's draw a rectangle around me. Let's see what we want. Let's do a Dolly Zoom. Do the first one, let's count it down. Okay, Dolly Zoom. We'll do this middle one, let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. And there it goes. Pulling those heels into me. And here comes back, shooting them out. Alright, then let's do the last one. Count down, 2, 1, go. Wow. Okay, it's slowly going. Alright, so you can get a look at the surroundings around here and see what you think. That's called Round Mountain out there. Okay, I'm directly behind it. Okay, there's our 360. Alright, let's just fly the Anafi out here a little bit. Get her back towards the road. This is the graveyard we were walking in earlier. Alright, now there's the road again where I'm at. Here she comes back towards me. Alright, and let's do a parabola. Yeah, 33 feet. Just do a short one here. And there it's down. Alright. Now let's go ahead and try the tornado again. We'll do just a 33 footer. Doom go. Okay. It's looking really good. Yeah, we'll burn halfway down, so it should be starting to come down. I tell you, that thing, it really does have some zip to it. Let's do the boomerang. 96 feet. 1, go. And there it goes out. I'm going to keep walking. It says subject lost. And yet it's coming back into me. And it's got the green on me still, so who knows what happened there. But there it is. Let me get it up a little bit here. Let's make sure we can get by some things. Do the orbit. We'll do a left one. 1, go. All right. Ooh, now it did lose me. Ooh, now pick me back up. That was weird. I thought I was walking beside myself. Okay, this is another orbit. Let's do it to the right this time. Go. Here it comes. Right in front of me. All right. Now let's put it on dynamic. And we'll do another orbit to the right. There it goes. Alright, we're going to stop this. Going to bring it down. Draw a little rectangle around me. I'm just going to have it follow me. See, we're on 35% battery life. So I think I'll just get ready to land it in here. And we will call this good. Let me bring it down. Let's bring it over here to me. Okay, there now I look much taller than Round Mountain. So I look like a giant in this shot. So we're going to land it, we're going to shut it off. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you do, like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. And definitely please share this video. And that'll be great. I would appreciate it. Y'all take care. And if you got any thoughts, plans, desires of any tests that you want to see on this, the Evo, the Karma, let me know and I'll do them for you. Alright, see you next time.